it doesn't go off on the laugh. It's just waste of time.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I don't really want my finger pinched. I set this son of a bitch down.
Who's laughing now?
Laugh at that.
Maybe he wants you to fuck him.
No. No, thank you. That's 4 times I fucking set that son of a bitch down. I'll laugh you get no views on that video too. Because it doesn't make me jump.
God damn it! I'm just gonna stand over here.
Why mousetrap?
That lighting in here sucks though.
Yeah, it does. Really? It's a fluorescent light. Expect it. I don't like how I got me. I'm getting wrecked in my game. I'm becoming mad. No, I'm not. You're up.
This one's set.
So is this one, so there you go.
Just see who snaps first.
Now I'm gonna set this down. I'm walking away. Fucking really?